Well, one thing I can tell you is that I am one of the proudest principals in Jamaica at this point in time. We played 10 games and we have won all 10, 30 points, topping the zone. This is historical, this is history. And of course, you know that Mona has now made it to the second round, the round of 16, and we look forward to greater things next week, whenever the competition starts. But I'm very happy, and I must take the opportunity to say kudos to Coach Butler and his assistant coach, Mr. Taylor, and the boys, of course. I think they played with a sense of purpose. They love the game, the passion is there, and I just wish them all the best.
All right, let's walk it back a bit, Principal.
Yes.
Mona's fortunes have changed dramatically over the last couple of years. So let's talk to me about that.
Fortunes. Well, first of all, let me say, as a past student of Clarendon College, I have a passion for football. Butler knows that, coach knows that. So when I came here, my objective really was not only to improve the academics and to turn around the school where that is concerned, but to improve in sports, track and field, netball, basketball, and of course, football. So we started putting together a program, and I've been, recruiting coaches. We tried out a lot of coaches so far. I think Butler is my fourth coach. And we realized that we had a lot of talent in the school. Boys are very athletic and they have skills and they really have a passion, a love for football. And then now with that passion that the boys have, coupled with the passion of the current coach, I think we found the formula. And what you have seen today, and of course in the previous games, it's a testament or our testimony to what we have been doing over the past couple of years at Mona High School. So kudos to Coach Butler and his team. And as I said before, I believe the boys will do tremendously well. I told them already, I know coach is saying that he's big on the development of players and he wants them to become professional footballers. That is good. For me, that would be the icing on the cake. What I want is the Manning Cup. It needs to come to Mona Road at Mona High School, the school of choice. And that is what I'm looking forward to.
All right, Mona High School is one of the best teams in Manning Cup this year.
Well, thank you. I'm happy to hear that.
What's the mood like inside the school? We know what it's like on the pitch. We know what it's like with the team. But what are the students saying? What are the teachers saying?
It's pride. It's all about the Mona pride. That phrase has been coined by Coach Butler. So whenever the boys play a game, so like Monday morning coming, we will have General Assembly. I'll take the lead in advertising the score to the students, and the teachers are excited, and of course, that sort of fever, that sort of pride is now, spreading right throughout the school. So to answer your question, we are all proud. The students are behind the team, the teachers are behind the team, the board of management, the past students, you name it. And we're just looking forward to better things in the near future.
All right, we see that you're around this team.
Yes.
I'm going to ask a joint question right now.
Yeah.
What's your relationship with the boys on this team, and what's your relationship with Coach Butler? I hear you mention him a couple of times in interviews so far. So tell me, what's your relationship like with him and the rest of the team?
Well, I told the coach, listen carefully. I said to the coach, listen, you are the coach of the football team. We employ you to coach. That is your responsibility. That's your duty. You take care of it. I am the principal of the school. My job is to run the school. If you need anything to get the job done as a coach, you let me know. So my relationship with him is strictly professional. Everybody knows that Mr. Butler has his own style of doing things. He doesn't take it to me because he understands me and I understand him. And I said to him, each time you talk to me, coach, just let me know how things are going, what are the things that you need, and I'll certainly give you all the assistance that I can give you in order for you to get the job done. The other question?
Relationship with the boys on this team.
All right. I don't treat the boys differently from how I treat other students. They are students. So if I see them in the school and, for example, they are not properly groomed or dressed or out of class, I apply the same sanction, or I pull them and talk to them the same way I would do with any other student. So the long and short of it is that they do not get any special treatment from me. They are students, they are student athletes. They are expected to come to school on time, go to class on time, work hard. And of course, when they're on the pitch, they do whatever they need to do to get the job done.
All right, finally, give us one message for the Mona fraternity.
It's the Mona pride, and we're asking everybody to come on out and support us because we need to take the Manning Cup this year. Thank you.
All right, there we have it from the principal of Mona High School. Stay tuned to this or that Sports TV. Thank you. Appreciate
All right.